Emily, look at you standing up all by yourself. What? You eating the side of your crib? Yeah. Why are you naked? Why are you naked? Oh, right, because you pooped in your pajamas. Poopy girl. Say hi. Say hi. No, you can't have a camera. Say, I scratched up my face. Not really sure how I did it, but I did. Got a booger up your nose, I can see it. You can't have it. Hi. Say, tomorrow's Thanksgiving and I get to see all my family. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I see the belly. You wobbling a bit. What? What? Alright, I'll go. Say bye, Emmy. Say bye, Emmy. Bye-bye.